Another feature that our customers love is the lead generation calculator. So with the lead generation calculator, you're able to create unique referral links that drive traffic to a high converting affordability calculator and set the deal up by tagging it with the referral source. So I'll show you what I mean here. A common use case for this is actually, let's say that I have a realtor that refers a lot of deals to me. What I've done here is created them as a lead source. So I know what company and the source name, and so I've created that down here. And when I created a new referral link, I attached the referral source to the link itself. So I'm able to send this to my favorite realtor. And when they send that out to their borrower, it takes the borrower immediately to a affordability calculator where they can self-select a quick journey. So let's say that this borrower is just getting started. They're able to actually add their income for taxes. They're able to add how much they've saved for down payment. They're able to show their monthly loan repayments. Credit card debt is low and good credit bureau. Let's get the results. So this is super powerful for a realtor to be able to offer this to their potential clients. It adds a ton of value. And if they were to click get approved, pre-approved now, they would actually, I'm going to do this in an incognito window. And so if they clicked this, they would actually then be directed to the team's sign up page. And this referral is actually tracked from the previous screens so that the realtor would get credit for this lead and the broker would get obviously a new potential client.